These are the 10 best small SUVs you can buy in 2026, ranked for reliability, value, and safety. What's fascinating is that every single one of these vehicles shows us something massive happening in the auto industry right now. The hybrid powertrain isn't optional anymore. It's becoming the default. Small SUVs now account for roughly 60% of all new vehicle sales in the United States. They've effectively killed the sedan for most buyers. And in 2024 alone, the Toyota RAV4 moved nearly 500,000 units, making it the most popular passenger vehicle in America. So the stakes in this segment are enormous. Let's break down the 10 that rise above the rest. Starting at number 10, we have the Kia Seltos. This subcompact crossover quietly earns the highest overall score among subcompact SUVs from US News, and it does so starting at just $23,790. What makes the Seltos compelling isn't any single standout feature, it's the complete package. You get Kia's full DriveWise safety suite as standard equipment, and backing everything up is an industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. For buyers who want a small SUV without a big financial commitment, the Seltos punches well above its weight. At number 9, the Mazda CX-30. This is the safest subcompact SUV you can buy right now, full stop. It earns a 5-star overall rating from NHTSA and a top safety pick, plus, from IIHS, which is remarkable given how much tougher those standards have become. In 2025, only 48 models qualified for top safety pick awards, down from 71 the year prior. The vehicles didn't get less safe, the criteria got harder. The CX-30 passed anyway. It also comes with standard all-wheel drive and Mazda's characteristically sharp driving dynamics, earning a near-perfect 9.8 safety score from US News. Number 8 is the Buick Encore G, and this one might surprise you. The Encore GS currently holds the highest reliability score for any SUV in the entire J.D. Power database. It won the highest quality small SUV award for 2025. It also matches the CX-30 with a 9.8 safety rating, earning good marks in every single IIHS crash test, plus a 5-star NHTSA overall rating. General Motors actually produced 4 of the top 5 most reliable SUVs in recent J.D. Power studies, which is a storyline most people aren't paying attention to. Coming in at number 7, the Subaru Crosstrek. Starting at $27,000, the Crosstrek is one of the best values in this entire list. Consumer Reports recommends it for 2026, praising its comfortable ride, spacious back seat, and simple controls. Every single Crosstrek comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive and EyeSight driver assist technology. The one knock? Long stopping distances. But for a subcompact SUV that handles snow, rain, and dirt roads without breaking a sweat, it's hard to argue with what you get for the money. Number 6 is the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. The Tucson is one of the most feature-rich compact SUVs on the market. Starting at $32,450 for the hybrid, you get 36 to 38 miles per gallon combined, a massive 41.2 cubic feet of cargo behind the rear seats, and a suite of safety tech that includes highway drive assist and an in-cabin driver monitoring system as standard equipment. It earned both a 5-star NHTSA rating and IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus. And like its Kia sibling, it comes with that 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Where the Tucson falls slightly short is driving engagement. It's competent, not thrilling. At number 5, the all-new Mazda CX-5. This is a big deal. The CX-5 hasn't been fully redesigned since 2017, and for 2026, Mazda finally addressed every complaint. The wheelbase is 4.5 inches longer, which means real rear seat space and cargo room that nearly matches the segment leaders. The old rotary knob infotainment system is gone, replaced by a modern Google-based touchscreen. And yet, Mazda kept what always made the CX-5 special. It's still the best driving compact SUV on the market. Reliability remains exceptional too. RepairPal ranks it first out of 26 midsize SUVs, with an average repair cost of just $447 per year. The catch? No hybrid at launch. Mazda says one is coming for 2027, but right now, you're limited to a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, making 187 horsepower. In a segment where hybrids are becoming standard, that's a real disadvantage. Number 4, the Subaru Forester Hybrid. Subaru was named the most reliable and best overall automotive brand by Consumer Reports for 2025. and the Forester is a huge reason why. The 6th generation model now comes with a hybrid powertrain that's 40% more efficient than the non-hybrid, delivering 35 miles per gallon combined, and a staggering 581-mile range on a single tank. It's earned IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus every year since 2007. That's an 18-year streak. Standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, 8.7 inches of ground clearance, and a 5-star NHTSA rating round out the package. Now, Subaru's approach to AUD uses a mechanical full-time system rather than the electric motor-assisted setups you find in competitors. That means the Forester Hybrid's fuel economy numbers sit a step behind the RAV4 and CR-V. But if you regularly deal with harsh winters or unpaved roads, no other hybrid in this class matches the Forester's all-weather capability. Number 3 is the Kia Sportage Hybrid, and it takes the crown for best value in the compact segment. The refreshed Sportage edges out its Hyundai Tucson sibling by offering essentially the same equipment at a more attractive price point, starting at $30,085. You get 226 combined horsepower from its turbocharged hybrid system, available dual 12.3-inch panoramic displays, and that same 10-year powertrain warranty. Kia's reliability ratings have improved dramatically over the past few years, and the Sportage is the clearest evidence of that transformation. At number 2, the Honda CR-V Hybrid. The CR-V has been one of America's favorite vehicles for decades, and the hybrid version makes an already excellent SUV even better. Its 2-motor hybrid system produces 204 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque, returning up to 40 miles per gallon combined. It's an IIHS Top Safety Pick, with a 5-star NHTSA rating. The interior is spacious and functional. Resale value is among the highest in the class, and Honda includes complimentary maintenance for the first 2 years. New for 2026, the Trail Sport trim adds rugged styling and all-terrain tires for buyers who want a little adventure with their practicality. Some owners have noted the interior materials feel a bit cheap in places, but the CR-V's overall track record of reliability and livability keeps it near the very top. And the number 1 small SUV for 2026 is the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Toyota made a bold move this year. They completely eliminated the gas-only RAV4. Every 2026 RAV4 is now either a hybrid or a plug-in hybrid. The standard hybrid makes up to 236 horsepower with all-wheel drive and delivers 40 miles per gallon combined. The plug-in hybrid pushes to 324 horsepower with 50 miles of electric-only range. It's the first vehicle to feature Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 and the new Arene software platform. Starting at $31,900 for the base hybrid, it offers standard aid and fuel economy that no non-hybrid competitor can touch. With 37.8 cubic feet of cargo behind the second row and what reviewers are calling the best infotainment system in any new vehicle today, the 6th generation RAV4 didn't just defend its position, it widened the gap. What's remarkable about this list is how clearly it shows where the industry is heading. Hybrids aren't the alternative anymore, they're the expectation. And if you're shopping for a small SUV in 2026, the good news is this. Whether you spend $20,000 or $45,000, you can get a vehicle that's safer, more efficient, and more reliable than anything available even 5 years ago.